Good day everyone. Today's Litera Talks is about the moons of Jupiter. The Moons of Jupiter by Alice Munro delves into the life of Janet, a woman navigating her father's impending death and her fractured family relationships. From a feminist perspective, Janet's story reflects the quiet struggles of women balancing personal ambition and familial roles. Her understanding with her Jupiter's moon, with the fleeting fragile moment or connections on Earth. People change and so do the orbit of their lives, predictable yet distant. It reminded me that relationships like celestial bodies are marked by distance but governed by gravity, a pull that remains even in estrangement. Moreover, it tells the importance of reconciliation before it's too late. As Munro said, it's the small orbits that makes us human. I realize that we must appreciate the quiet yet profound connections that anchor us together.